I currently study interactive and visual design at QUT, and the thing that I'm really interested in is education, more specifically how can design innovate education. So what I've made for my honours project is a card-based resource which is for a first year unit called Visual Communication, and it's a set of 120 cards which can be used in tutorials. I'm definitely more focused around the area of education nowadays. I've been lucky to have experience within branding, some user experience, and now education too. So I kind of have an interest of combining all those areas to make really unique experiences in the area of education and in all areas of living to improve people's everyday lives. I think design in general, creative industries in general, is booming and it will continue to boom in the next 10 years. I think there is so much more potential to be working with humans in different areas. For me, it's education, and to be working with humans in all areas, even in areas that you wouldn't have imagined.